I'm out here building M2 SBs for the store. I think I'm all out in the store. That's the notification I got. So while I was doing it, I did something on the lathe that I thought might be interesting. I'm just going to call this lathe trivia. Now this is a piece of 1 3/4 stock that's 2 feet long. Now, to put it in the lathe from the front, I have to bring the compound rest back and the tailstock out of the way, open the chuck up, and I can sneak it in there, but it's kind of tough. So if you have a lathe that has a big enough throat, you can do it this way. You can put it in here and slide it right through till it comes out there. Then once you form the part, you can slide it back out, take it over to the bandsaw or cut it off, or you can use a parting tool to cut it off right here and just keep sliding the material forward. It's a real time saver, especially if you want to turn a piece that's 2 feet long anyway. Now, if this was 2-inch and I wanted to turn it, I couldn't get it into the throat. I'd have to put it in, bore it, put a live center in, and then turn it out here. Maybe even have to use a steady rest. So the bigger the throat, the more usable the lathe. This is a small lathe and the throat's only 1 3/4. But the small lathes over here, the little 7x10s, this only has a throat of 3/4, so it's much more limited. So I'm Kenny from Mini Bull Design, and that's my lathe trivia for today. Get out and hike, take a friend, enjoy the great outdoors, and more important than anything, try to have a really great day. It's kind of an overcast, rainy, cold day here today, so I don't mind being in the shop. Hope your day's better than mine. Bye-bye.